Hi, my name's David. We're going to do an easy level LeetCode problem, move zeros in JavaScript. So given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zeros elements. So here's the input, and then you can see all the zeros are in the end, and the order of it is still the same. So I got confused with this at first, but the key logic, I was confused at first because I was thinking whenever I saw a zero, so put that in the back. But the key is to look at when you have a non-zero and put that to the front, swap it with a zero. So the pseudocode is first we have to we're going to use 2 pointers, one pointer to iterate through the entire array and a second pointer as the base uh, base index. So now we're going to create a variable as a base index. And next we're going to loop through the array. And inside of this loop, we have a condition if the current value of the index is a non-zero, we swap that with the value of the base index. And then we'll swap that. So let's say we go to here, 1, we'll make that a swap with a 0, and then we'll increment it again so the base changes. Increment base. And then we return nums. So to start, we're going to create the base variable, let base equals 0. And now we do the other pointer with the loop for let I equals 0, I is less than nums.length, I plus plus. And so inside of this, we're going to see whenever it's a non-zero. So if nums index of I does not equal to 0, we will have to do the swap. And we need to create a temporary variable for the swap. Let temp equals, do it here. So now the temp has this value, so we can change this. So nums index I, and we're going to change that to the 0 with the base nums that base, and then we can change this value to the temp, and after that we can increment the base. And then once we go through that, we return nums. Let's check. Awesome. So the time complexity will be O of n, since we're looping through the array, and the space complexity will be O of 1, since we're having a constant variable to hold the space. Thank you.